Right guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the parking brake and auto hold brake system work. So when you get in the car and when you switch it on, you're ready to go, you're in P for park, and that's displayed in the center of the driver display here. And if you want to go anywhere, you have to engage a gear on the rotary gear shifter. Now when you're driving the car along, if you brake gently, the A will stay white and you haven't engaged auto hold even if you come to a stop. But if you press slightly harder on the pedal, the A in the center goes green and auto hold is engaged. Now if you take your feet off, the car will stay with the brake pressure at the pressure you applied when you activated auto hold. To move away, you just accelerate away and the brake pressure releases and off the car goes. And you can use that for hill hold assist or just for when you're in traffic jams and you want to take your feet off the pedals. Now, if you don't like auto hold, for example, you can press the car button, go across to the safety tab and disable it. And as soon as I've done that, the car's gone into P for park. And now when I accelerate away, the parking brake will release and we've got no auto hold at all. And if I apply the brake, nothing happens here. So in this mode, without auto hold engaged, if you want to, you can engage the parking brake, release the foot brake, and when you are ready to accelerate away, press the accelerator and the parking brake will release.